Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing project number 1, which is this one with the beautiful pier into the water. So we need 5 stamps on this one. We need the Happy Father's Day. We need the one that looks like rope. We need the one that says you're an inspiration. Then we need the kind of the bulrushes and the birds. Now, when you order your first kit, you will get an acrylic block in it. You reuse that for subsequent kits. You don't get a block every time. I just happen to have 5 blocks, so I have loaded them all up with stamps just to make it that much quicker. I need to open up my paper or my stamp spot, which I haven't done. So let me just grab my X-Acto knife here, and I will just open this up. There we go. Okay, so let's just peel that back and tear that edge off. Or maybe I'm just going to fold it under. There we go. Okay, so what do we need to do? I need to take my little sign piece here, and I'm going to need to stamp on that, and I'm going to need to stamp on this piece here too. Okay, so let's get those ones stamped first. We're going to go with the Happy Father's Day, and I'm thrilled that the Peaceful Pine ink spot is in here because it means I don't actually have to go and buy the Peaceful Pine, because I didn't get that one and I've so discovered that I really like it. I'm just going to stamp that away and make sure I've got good coverage. So let's just ink that up again now. Okay, so we'll ink that up. And we're going to stamp this down to say Happy Father's Day, and we're going to put it right in the middle like that, so that we have got room to put this rope piece on here. Okay, and that's going to go at the top. Sorry, I just need to pull this off so I can see where I am. It goes at the top like that. And then we're going to do that all over again for the bottom. Okay, just like that. Okay, now, where is the rest of the stamping? We need to stamp this with You Are an Inspiration. So let's just get that one inked up. We're going to ink that up really well. And then this goes right down in the middle of the greeting or of the banner here. So there we go. So You Are an Inspiration. And now I'm going to stamp the bulrush piece here. And it goes right at the front here like this. Okay, and then the birds go up in the corner. Okay, so we'll ink up those birds and they go up here like that. So there we go. So there's just all our stamping done. Now we need to follow our diagram and do all of the adhesives. So I've got that piece, I've got this piece here. So this just stays this way, which is interesting. I think I just must, oh yeah, okay. So I use the brown one, but I'm going to do this with it, and then this piece I do this with. And then this, that's really interesting actually. What they've done is they've shown you the picture face up and then what it looks like on the reverse. So that's, again, that's something new this time that I'm seeing. So that is fantastic. So I've got the fish, I've got this piece, I've got this one and this one. Okay, so I need my mini dimensionals, and I opted, instead of breaking into my new sheet of dimensionals, I'm just using one that I already have started, just so that I don't keep having, you know, partial dimensionals. But you do get a full sheet of dimensionals with your kit. Okay, and then I'm going to need dimensionals down the side of this one. So 1, 2, 3, like that. And then I need 2 dimensionals on the end of this piece like this, and then 2 on the fish. I'm just gonna make sure the fish is the right way. Okay, he's gonna be like this, so I need to turn it like this, and the fish goes, and this goes right there like that. Okay, so now tear and tape. What did I do with my tear and tape? I have hidden it. There we go. Okay, so I need a piece for here, like that. And I'm going to need 2 short pieces on the back of the greeting, like that, and like that. And then I'm going to need a small piece of tear and tape just on this end here, like this. Okay, and now we can start building the card. I'll bring this back in. So I'm going to put this on here like this. Just going to center that up. There we go. Okay. So this, I always say my videos are 50% me taking the backs off adhesives. So bear with me, or fast forward, whatever you'd like to do. And that, so there we go, like that. Okay, so then this goes down this side, right about here. There we go. Then we take this and it goes on like this. And this is going to go right about here. And it goes mostly over, actually. So we're going to put that like that, making sure we're straight and making sure I'm still in frame. Okay, and then we're going to put the rest of the greeting on here. And this is going to go on like this. And it kind of comes all the way to the edge and just covers up the top of those pieces, so it looks like it's a sign that's hanging. And then we're going to put this one like this, and it sits on the top of the "You Are an Inspiration." Okay, perfect. Now I need my rocks. I need 3 large ones, and one of the large ones is going to go over here like this, and then 2 of the large ones are going to go here and here, and then 1 small one will go underneath like that, and then underneath like that. So there we go. And I'm just going to fold this in half. If you don't have a bone folder with you, you can use the side of your block just to give that a little push. And that is project number 1. For the Lakeside Retreat April Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for video number 2.